Welcome to my channel, Dearies. I'm Gloria and I'm bringing you the most amazing Brazilian wool hair hack you have ever seen, and this is sure going to blow your mind. I'm just so excited about it and I'm sure that you're going to be very soon. Ever wondered how you can turn your dry and straight Brazilian wool extension into a very defined curly hair extension? This video gives you the right tutorial, so stay tuned and subscribe if you're new here. I use this amazing spiral or cut hair rollers to do this. These rollers has a nice locker that is used to secure the hair at the end of the spiral groove, and at the beginning of it too there is a hook or a cap that is also used to secure the hair from the beginning. Doing this tightly and more secured, I created a knot with the hook of the spiral rod using the end of the Brazilian wool. I went ahead to use the hair extension to wrap around the spiral groove. At the end of the rod, I used the locker to secure the extension to it, and then cut the rest of the extension with my scissors. See, this is just so easy. You wouldn't need additional threads or yarn to secure the extensions to the rod. I repeated this process for all 26 rows using only one bundle of Brazilian wool. You have to know that you don't have to comb the Brazilian wool extension, and you don't have to cut the extension into smaller strands before you set them on the spiral rows. Combing will only give you a different texture that would only lead to being so frizzy, and you can cut the hair extension once you are done setting it on the rollers. I mix both ideal hair leave-in conditioner and silicone mix and soak the hair in it for some time before pouring hot water on them. After some time in the hot water, I took them out and sprayed Minkin mousse on them. The mousse is to help make the curls very defined and lengthen its span before it becomes all frizzy again. I therefore dried it under the sun and unwrapped the extension from the rollers carefully by first taking out the locking mechanism. And now our curls are even hard to believe that it is actually Brazilian wool. And I tested the definition of our curls by stretching the curl strands to see, and it was still very much defined. This is just amazing. Yeah, as you can see, this is very much amazing. I have smaller curl strands, I just continue to straight and straight further and pulled 4 smaller curl strands from each bigger curls. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you are new here. The separation into 4 smaller strands shouldn't be difficult at all or messy because the straight Brazilian wool has like 4 strands put together, so separating them even after curls or coils shouldn't be messy at all. This is why I advise Elena to comb the Brazilian wool extension before wrapping them around the rollers. Now these are images of myself from the curls I crocheted into my natural hair. I have the video tutorial of these hairstyles posted already on my channel, so do watch them and don't forget to share them. I hope this is helpful and you also try this at home. But let me know from the comment section if you have any concerns about this. You know, I'm there for you. I love you. I love your hair so very much. Yes. Thank you so much for the love and the support that you've been giving me on this channel. I am so pleased about this love and support that you've been giving me. So thank you. See you again on my next video.